In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair Outlook. If Outlook is crashing, won't open, or features like search and calendar sync aren't behaving, running a repair on Office can usually set things right without a full reinstall. Before we begin, save your work and close Outlook and any other Office apps so nothing gets in the way of the repair. Start by clicking the Start button on your Windows desktop, then open the Settings app, the one with the gear icon. Inside Settings, choose Apps, and then select Installed Apps. This shows everything installed on your PC. Scroll through the list and locate Microsoft 365 or your edition of Microsoft Office. Outlook is part of this suite, so repairing the suite repairs Outlook too. When you find it, click the three dots to the right of the entry and choose Modify. If Windows asks for permission, confirm to continue. You'll now see repair options. Quick Repair is the faster choice. It checks for and fixes common issues without needing the internet, and it often resolves crashes, missing features, or small corruption problems. Online Repair is more thorough. It essentially reinstalls Office to replace damaged files and settings, which can fix deeper issues, but it takes longer and requires an internet connection. Pick the option that best matches your situation. If you're unsure, try Quick Repair first, since it's quick and safe. If problems persist afterwards, you can return to this screen and run an online repair. After you make your choice, follow the on-screen prompts. The repair window will show progress. This can take a few minutes for quick repair and longer for online repair, especially if your connection is slower. Avoid shutting down your computer during this process. When the repair completes, you might be prompted to restart your PC. If you see that message, go ahead and restart to let Windows finish applying changes. Once you're back on the desktop, open Outlook and give it a moment to initialize. Check that your mail loads, search works, and your calendar and add-ins behave as expected. That's it. You've repaired Outlook using the built-in Office tools, starting from the Start menu to Settings, Apps and Installed Apps, then Modify and the repair options. If you found this helpful, consider keeping Windows and Office up to date to prevent issues in the future, and remember that Quick Repair is a great first stop whenever Outlook starts acting up.